Welcome to Meru Accounting. We have prepared here with a presentation to help you understand nuances of bookkeeping for agriculture industry. To give a brief introduction about ourselves and what we do. So, we are chartered accountants by profession, and we have been doing bookkeeping for a lot of US, Australian, Canadian, and various clients. So, here with in the presentation, we'll cover basic points of income and revenue generation for agriculture industry, how to manage inventory, how to account for receivables, payable, reconciliation of credit cards, payroll and labor expenses, how to account for depreciation, tax aspects, and the analysis. So, recording of income and revenue, it's very important to decide what would be the point at which the sale of crop, livestock, and agriculture product would be recorded. Uh, we need to look at the revenue recognition and ensure that it is recorded at a correct point of time. And expenses of seeds, fertilizers, and needs to be categorized into various expense categories. And we need to customize a chart of accounts which ensures that you can give a proper report out of your books of accounts. In terms of inventory management, we'll ensure that we need to ensure that inventory has been recorded correctly, and that helps you to know your profitability correctly. If the inventory is not maintained correctly, it affects your profitability because your cost of goods sold would not be recorded in a correct manner. Accounts receivable needs to be taken care of, means in order to track the money that is owed to the company. Uh, we need to do bank and credit card reconciliation, need to select an appropriate accounting software for ensuring that the reconciliations are happening and it's done in a correct manner. We can use a QuickBooks, Xero, Zoho accounting software to ensure timely reconciliation of bank and credit cards. Payroll needs to be looked into very detail because it ensures that the proper time cards are kept for the farm laborers and ensure that working hours are recorded correctly and withholding of the taxes is done correctly. Recording of the payroll into accounting software is also crucial to ensure that all the expenses which are related to farm and not outside farm, they are recorded in a different manner so that you can know what's your cost of goods sold and what's your operating expenses. The payroll and the labor involved for on farm needs to be added to the cost of goods sold, whereas the other labor that needs to be included in the operating expenses. Depreciation and amortization. There are many machines and vehicles which needs to be amortized over the period of life of the asset. In terms of tax compliance, we need to prepare a list of what are the tax compliance required and prepare a recording task for each of them. We help you with financial analysis and we set up various key performance indicators so that you can understand the business and take relevant decisions. So here are some of the key aspects which needs to be taken care, and the key reporting indicators which can help you to understand how your business is performing. Number one is yield per acre. So it helps you to know the productivity of land, gross margin. That helps you to know whether the crop is generating adequate margin or not. Crop rotation efficiency. It helps to know the yield and optimize on the yields. Return on investment, what you have invested and what's the return you are receiving. The efficiency of labor that can be based out of payroll and the time card. Water usage efficiency. Water is the key expense into agriculture and farming industries. So you need to ensure that the usage of water is efficient and the expenses are recorded in a correct manner. You need to look into the crop quality, and the second is inventory turnover, which helps to reduce the waste of inventory and ensures a proper use of that. We can have other KPIs like customer satisfaction, environmental impact, and measure those as well. So yeah, that was all. Hope you liked the presentation. If you've got any questions, you can contact us at Meru Accounting and we'll be glad to help. Thank you.